Hello guys, this is me Shanti and you're watching me on my YouTube channel The Layer V. Today's video is going to be my second attempt filming now that my battery has arrived and I'm back to my filming schedule and setup. I'm very happy and pumped to put this video out for you guys. I originally wanted to upload the video that I had filmed on my iPhone, but it's just that you've been quite used to seeing this quality of videos in my channel and I did not want to produce another video from my iPhone because it just didn't look that great, and I decided to do this makeup look once again. And today's makeup look is going to be centered around this like upside down eyeliner that's going on my eyes and this beautiful rosy pinky color that's going on my lips, which is perfect for Valentine's Day. If you're still not sure if you don't know what you want to wear, you can probably give this a try and then maybe maneuver the colors for your eyelid area. If you're watching me at this video for the first time, thank you for taking time out of your day to watch and click on this video. Please watch the video till the end, and while you're here at it, please do consider subscribing to this channel. I upload new videos every Tuesdays and Fridays and I hope that my content has something that you would like to watch. If you're huge fans of playback singers like Vijay Prakash, Sunita Saradi, Hari Priya, Hari Charan, Masala Coffee, they're going to be here in Singapore for you along with Big Boss stars from Season 1. ISEAFM Music Festival tickets are going for sale at the Systics official website, but you can also purchase tickets from ISEAFM's official Facebook page and Instagram profile, and you can enjoy 15% discount off at your checkout when you flash this message THELAIAV15 to enjoy 15% off. Do make sure to make use of this discount code and I will see you at ISEAFM's Music Festival. And if you want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. I will be moving you closer to my eyes so that you can have a closer look at what I'm going to be doing with my eyes. And as always, I'm going to be using the Soft Ochre by MAC. And this is to prime the eyelids before eyeshadow application. I'm just going to be using my ring finger like so and just apply enough to make sure that it cancels out the darkness. Make sure that you're going to be taking the primer. This is the Sephora's 8-Hour Mattifying Pressed Powder and this is in the shade Medium 30. I'm just using a fluffy brush like this to set the primer down. And you're not rubbing it, otherwise you may move the primer about. So for the main eyelid color, I'm just going to be adding a little bit of eyelid definition, and of course I'm going to be either taking Raw Sienna or Burnt Orange from the Modern Renaissance palette from ABH that looks like this. I'm going to be using the R36 Smooth Blender brush from Bloom Kit. I'm depositing the color this way, and then later we can just like wing out a little bit so that the eye shape is a little bit more elongated. I'm using this brush that has this shape. It actually, I can't remember where I got it from. Make sure that it's clean, and I'm just going to be lightly blending the edges out. If you want a little bit of eyelid lash line definition, in terms of like if you have very sparse lash line like I do, you can definitely go in with a little bit of black or dark brown eyeliner and then just line it across. But I do intend to wear some falsies. Moving on quickly to the eyes, I'm going to be using the Rimmel London Scandalized 24-Hour Wear Black Kohl Kajal Pencil. I'm going to be taking the same Kohl Kajal and applying it onto my lower lash line. To soften out the edges, I'm going to be using a pencil brush like this one. This is the 230 Luxe pencil brush from Zoeva. And I'm going to be taking the Cypress Umber from the Modern Renaissance palette and diffuse the lower lash line. We shall give the lower lash line a break. I'm going to be applying some falsies and I'll be right back. I'm going to be taking the same brown shadow, that's the Cypress Umber from the Modern Renaissance palette. Now that we are done with the eyes, I'm going to be doing some highlighting action, and I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution's Ultra Pro Glow palette that looks like this. I think I want to stick a little bit with the warm tones over here. I might want to just take a little bit of this color, mix it with a little bit, maybe going with this 3 shades over here. I'm taking the highlight a little bit above my brows just so that it looks really nice when it hits the light, and bringing it down the bridge of my nose. For contouring, I'm going to be using the Anastasia's Beverly Hills Contouring Kit. This is the light to medium. And a few have mentioned in my last video, which is a Valentine's Day makeup video, I looked a little bit like Donald Trump. I use a lot more of the red tones over here, so I'm going to be concentrating a little bit more on the cooler darker brown shade. I'm going to be taking a big fluffy brush like this, dust the excess off, and then just lightly try to diffuse any harsh edges that is going around the face.
What's up, guys?
To line my lips, I'm going to be using the Innisfree Always New Auto Lip Liner. Moving on to the finishing look, which is the lips, I'm going to be using a personal favorite of mine. This is from the Sephora brand, a Wonderful Cushion Lip Cushy Matte Lip Cream, and this is in the shade 01 Wonderful Rosy. I don't hear this enough on the internet. I really like the staying power on this one, and this lips are it's almost very close to the L'Oreal's Tint Cushion, that elongated pencil kind of shape, and then it comes with the applicator that looks like this. It feels almost very much like that, except the fact that this feels a lot more moisturizing on the lips, and I do love how it actually wears off. Because it's powder, it doesn't leave like a very funny, it doesn't have that butthole ring, and it like has a very nice powdery finish on the lips, which I really absolutely love. It doesn't feel like when I smack my lips together, why am I doing a review on this product? It's just a personal favorite of mine, and this is a very pretty everyday pink color that I definitely see myself wearing this a lot, so I just wanted to give a quick shout out. This is one of my favorite products from the Sephora brand, and this is the final look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching today's makeup tutorial. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed already, please do so. It's absolutely free of charge. All you have to do is just click on the subscribe button down this video and click on the bell icon next to it, just so that you'll be notified whenever I have new video uploads going up on my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys!